Hello friends, my name is Kapil and today in this video we are going to see the printer HP419. So we are going to provide you the complete detail regarding this printer, what exactly is the cost, how much it will cost you for the per print, and what exactly you will get along with the printer, how you can take the print, what are the different features, everything we will cover in this video. Okay. So you can see this is the printer, and you can see the overall, like there are some buttons given on the left hand side, and there are some indication, there is small indicator is also available. Okay. And these are the different buttons. You can just power on the printer and you will see this icon, or there is this led will glow. Okay. So let's consider what exactly you will get. You have a feature for the Xerox in this. You can scan it, you can print it, and this is again a wireless printer, so you can directly give a print from your mobile or from a laptop as well. Okay, as it is a ink tank printer, actually the cost per print will be very less. It will come around 20 to 30 paisa, and it will be very less per print cost. So you will be mostly have a charge of the paper, and that's all. On top of that, you need to spend extra 30 paisa per print. And even you can print photos like 4 by 6 and 5 by 7 size photos on this printer, and you can see the print quality is quite a good in this printer. Okay, so definitely I would recommend this printer to you, and you can buy this. I will also tell you what are all things you will get it. So to print the photos, you need to insert the paper over here actually. Okay. And you will have a two option. You can directly put a A4 size paper over here, or 5 by 7 size photo print, or 4 by 6. So this is the 4 by 6 paper which I already bought it from Amazon. I will provide you the link to which you can directly buy, and it will cost you around 2 rupees per paper, or maybe 3 rupees per paper, depending on the quality. I will show you which I already bought it from Amazon, so you can buy it from Amazon as well. So you can see this is the Kodak photo paper. You can just search 4 by 6 photo paper in the Amazon and you will get it. So this is the high glossy paper actually, but you can buy the matte finish paper as well, and I would recommend to buy a matte finish actually. Personally I feel that matte finish will be the better one, and you will get the better clarity on that. Okay, so here you will get the wireless option. You can just download the HP Smart print application, and you will get the option to scan, print, and Xerox, for the Xerox as well. Okay, so for the scan, you just need to put a paper over here and you can scan it. Okay, you will also get an option for a printing. You can just send a command to or you can send a mail to email ID, and you will get a print as well. So there are a couple of options you will find it over it. You can in the application itself there will be an option to edit the, like, whatever the print you are going to give. So here you will get the option to fill the inks. Okay, so basically you will get a four. One is the black, another one is the cyan, magenta, and yellow. So these are the four color bottle you will get it for the printing. I will show you the box now. So you can see the box now. It is already mentioned that HP ink tank wireless 419. Okay, so HP wireless 419 is the printer, and you can see it is already mentioned the extremely low quality, low cost per page, easy mobility, connectivity. So all these things you will get, and here you can see the number of prints. So up to 8,000 to 15,000, because here they are providing two bottle for the black. That's why they are saying that you will get a 15,000 print with this printer. Okay, so I will just show you the bottles as well, which I already currently used it actually. So this is the bottle for the black one. Okay, I will show you another one which I have not opened yet. Okay, so this is the another bottle, so you will get two bottle. So this one I already used it. Okay, which is cyan color. This is yellow. Okay, and there will be a one more which is the magenta, as I said. So these are the bottles, you will get it directly. You will get two had which the like the guy from the HP will directly come to your place, and they will install the printer. Actually, they will explain you everything, how exactly and what needs to be done, but it is very easy. There is no nothing specific you need to do. Okay, so along with this you will get the user manual as well, and that's all. Okay, it is very easy to take a print. Okay, you need to just download the application HP Smart, and you will directly able to print it. Okay, you can use it for the printing a photo as well. So for the price for the bottle is around 400, so around 500 rupees. Okay, so if we say that if you need to replace all these four bottles, then around it will cost you 2000 rupees, and in 2000 rupees you will get 8000 prints around that. So you can say the overall cost for the printing is very less compared to other printer. And yeah, so now let's come to the price of this printer. So the printer price is 13,500 rupees. Okay, and probably you can get a more discount, 500 rupees discount, so it will cost you around 13,000 compared to other inkjet printer actually, which will cost you around 9,000 rupees. This will cost you 4,000 extra. But if you are a regular user and if you want to get more and more print, then you can buy this. But yeah, if you are not that much like if you are not printing that much paper, then you can also go for inkjet or inkjet advantage printer also. Okay, so you can buy that as well, which is of also good quality. Here also, like, there will be no option where you will not get like let's say you will insert the paper, let's say 10 papers or 15 papers directly, and you will auto feeder, basically they will tell AFD. You will not get that option with this printer, because you need to put one by one paper and that scan you will get it. Okay, so that option you will not get this with this printer. And along with the duplex, so back to back printing automatically also, that you will not get this with the printer. So that also I wanted to tell you, because those are the features like some people will specifically ask for, but those features are not available in this printer. Okay, but I can say that if it is of good quality, I personally use it, and I feel that if you want to buy and take a print of your photos, or from a mobile or from a laptop on a regular basis, then this will cost you less. You need not to go anywhere to the any photo yeah, any studio, and directly you can get it. So if you have any specific question, you can ask me. I would like to answer those questions, and let's see. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. See you again in new video. Bye bye.